Hey guys, welcome back to Kindy Beauty. Today I'm going to be doing another one of my makeup product equivalent videos to see what products match up and what don't. And today we're going to be comparing and contrasting the Tarte Shape Tape to the new Makeup Revolution line, which is a lot less expensive. And so if it works, I will be so happy. I'm a big fan of the Tarte Shape Tape, so it's gonna be a lot to convince me, but I will let you guys know what I think, and you guys can let me know too in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and if you have any suggestions for equivalent products, please let me know. I'm always looking for your feedback. I'm just unapplying all my makeup right now, and let's get started. And this side of the face, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution. Ooh. It's a little bit thinner than the Shape Tape, but it like looks identical, pretty much. The wand is just as thick and wide. And I don't have makeup on. Well, I have my eye makeup on, but that's it. I took off everything else. And I didn't apply a primer or anything because I really want to give this a fair shot. Okay, so you guys can see the shades are identical. First off, that's a good start. I'm gonna go back in to the nasal folds too. That's the Tarte Shape Tape side. And yeah, it glides on a little bit easier. I don't know if that's a good thing or not than the Tarte Shape Tape. It's like a little more dewy or luminescous, if that's a word. Can you guys tell the difference? Because I can't at all. Alright, so while I'm waiting for that to soak in, I'm going to apply my, oh, where did it go? Where did it go? My Tarte Shape Tape in Mahogany. Oh, here it is, found it. On the Tarte Shape Tape side. And do what I always do, a little contour. And I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution London shade in C18. Oh, let me show you guys first. It's hard because of the packaging to see, but the rose gold and this still has plastic on it, but this is the most similar that I could find. It's the darkest shade. C18 is the darkest shade in the Makeup Revolution line. So what I've always really liked about the Tarte Shape Tape, it like really shapes my face. It like contours my face. It like lifts it and everything. So if I can find a cheaper alternative, hallelujah. And I'm just gonna go in. Alright, I'm just gonna let this settle for a little bit and then start blending it. Okay, so I just am going to apply my damp beauty blender and blend this out on this side. The Tarte Shape Tape first in light medium honey. So we blended out this side that has the Tarte Shape Tape for the under eye, and now I just washed off my beauty blender. I'm going to use the other end just in case, and I'm going to blend out the Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to, I used a damp blender on the other side, so I'm just going to use a damp blender on this side as well. isn't blending as easy. As you can see, maybe I just let it sit a little too long. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more. Maybe can't let this one set. Alright, that's a little bit better, I guess. It's not giving me quite the full coverage that the Tarte Shape Tape does, but just for the heck of it, I'm going to apply a little bit more. Let's give it a fighting chance. The color is spot on. So if you need a certain color, it looks like they do provide all the colors that the Tarte Shape Tape does. I still see a little bit more coverage on the Tarte Shape Tape side, but now I'm going to blend out the contour on both sides. This is a Tarte Shape Tape. Just blending with my Damn Beauty blender. And now I'm going in and doing the Makeup Revolution London side. I'm liking that too. Okay. So there it is. Tarte Shape Tape on this side and Makeup Revolution London on this side. And the Makeup Revolution comes in a 0.14 ounces. And the Tarte Shape Tape is like 0.3381 ounces, I believe. So you get a little bit more product with the Tarte Shape Tape. However, and I can't emphasize this enough, why we do our makeup product equivalent tapes to begin with, is that the Makeup Revolution, which again is on this side, is only $7. $7. And the Tarte Shape Tape runs around $27, depending on where you get it. And I have to say, you guys, the colors are identical. They're both really good products. The only thing I think the Makeup Revolution maybe is not providing, and that could just be my face today on this side of the face, is I'm not getting as much. It's more of a sheer coverage underneath of the eye. But I mean, if you just kept applying more, you just might have to use a little bit more product, then you'd probably get that full coverage that the Tarte Shape Tape provides. I mean, I love the Tarte Shape Tape. That's my go-to. I don't think that's ever going to change, but I do have to say the Makeup Revolution London is definitely a worthy equivalent, and you cannot go wrong for the price. It's almost identical. It's just a little bit more sheer with the under eye concealer. The contour is just as full coverage, the darker one. So again, maybe it's just my face today, but I would have to say I'm going to start using this. $7 versus $27. That's $20 cheaper. Like, you really, if you don't try it, then you're stupid. You're saving yourself $20. So definitely equivalent. I would have to say worth the hype. And yeah, it works. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.